Hi guys, I just got this product today and it's from Meinkind. I was trying to get something organized for the back of the seat because my son was always making a mess. But I thought to do a quick review on this particular product. So here we go. Let's you can open it up and see inside. So I got this from Amazon. I'll post the details at the bottom for the pricing and all of that. And I have the manual for it. Just says English, you know that. It's a black one I got. Materials Oxford cloth, PVC. Yeah, that way. Okay. And away it goes. So on here I've got this kind of leather-like type material. It feels very smooth. Quite a good feel. But that's not damaged already, but it's just not. Just a little ruffled or wrinkled. And it's got that space which could hopefully fit my son's iPad. And then from the review as well from Amazon, I think it's waterproof, so which I'll be testing it soon. And then that goes into the car seat. So I'm gonna see what it looks like in the car. So yeah, so this is what the back of your car would look like, I guess. iPad in here to see that fits in. That slides in perfectly. Though it's quite low for the seat. We've got the new booster seat, so that will sit low for him to be able to see. So that'll be quite a struggle for the angle. But that's it. Everything is okay. See how well that would withstand wear and tear. Well, apart from that, everything that looks okay and fine. It's good. So it looks like now fitted in. That's it there, and the base all the way. It looks good, but we need to get the sitting angle for that high up for him to be looking down, and could probably strain his neck all the time if you keep looking down that way. Hopefully with the booster seat, and that will give him a bit lower, make him sit lower and enable him to see the screen properly. But that looks really good. I like it. But the other side of it is here seems to have a bit of that. So we'll see if we can hide that. Nice. So they come in there, and I will fit the second one